In Little Rock, Arkansas, or is it Arkansas, Bob? You need to write it how it's pronounced. In Little Rock, Arkansas, it's illegal to honk your horn outside a sandwich shop after 9 p.m. Believe it or not. How else am I supposed to get my meatball sub? Bob, you're going to have to get a job there and bring one home for me. I wasn't trying to scare nobody. I just saw the open sign flicker. I gave a polite beep, just a little tootie, 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 ta. Yeah. But no, next thing I know, little copper's knocking on my window, asking me if I'm harassing a hoagie. How do you even do that? I wasn't harassing, I was courting. There's a difference. That sub had provolone, officer. Provolone! Or provolone if you pronounce it the Italian way. Now I gotta wait till morning to eat sad lettuce. I honked once and they called it a crime. What's they gonna do when I honk 3 or 9 times, Bob? You tell me. Or you tell me in the comments below. No, I'm not pointing down to that thing. I'm actually pointing to the comments below this in YouTube. Or are they over here on the YouTube shorts? I don't know. They're somewheres in this range. Usually they're down here for the long versions. I don't know. Just do something. Bye.